Hi, I am Dr. Nidhi Bhan, Vedic astrologer, tarot card reader, past life regressor, hypnotherapist, and a Reiki master. And for those of you who know me, you will know that I specialize in past life regression and resolution of problems that come to us in our birth charts from the past life. This is why I'm especially concerned that there is a Kala Sarpa Dosha effective period starting December 7th and it will last up to December 22nd. And this is why I'm here to tell you what you could do to make things better and who are the people who are going to be most affected by this combination when all the planets are hemmed inside the mouth of the dragon. Rahu is on one side, Ketu is on the other side, and all the other planets are revolving inside the mouth of this so-called dragon, as it is called. Rahu and Ketu are also called the north and south nodes. They are basically planets that don't actually exist in the sky. They are just points, the nodal points that we take into consideration. But they are very important positions and they are very important in our Vedic astrology system. Kala Sarpa Dosha is a very, very distinct way of finding out, distinct way of separating people who have major problems, who go 5 steps and then come back 6 steps, who are just not able to reach their destinations without a lot of struggle. There will be people with the major Kala Sarpa Dosha in their birth charts called Takshak, which is in the center of the birth chart. There are 13 types of Kala Sarpa Doshas, out of which the ones that exist in the center of the birth chart are the ones that disturb you the most. So this coming period between the 7th of December and the 22nd of December is a time when the Kala Sarpa Dosha of a lot of people becomes more distinct. It gives you more symptoms and it becomes more effective. You might be going through your life very smoothly and all of a sudden it's like a carpet is pulled out from under your feet. Things that you feel have been, you can take for granted, that are almost there for you to reach out, they will just go out of reach. We have just today actually there is a reading that I did for somebody who was going very smoothly in his life and all of a sudden his girlfriend decided that she's not going to go through with the marriage. So such are the things one can expect, especially in lives of people who have Kala Sarpa Dosha in their birth charts or who have malefic Rahu and Ketu in their birth chart, especially if it's in the center of the birth chart. Birth charts where Ketu and Moon are together, they're sitting together in the birth chart, especially in the center, the 1st, 4th, 7th or the 10th houses. In the 12th house, if you have Shani and Ketu Yukti, again you need to watch out from the effects of the Kala Sarpa Dosha during these 2 weeks. All of a sudden there might be a change of mind. You are very sure about certain things. You yourself might start going through confusion. Students might get a little confused about what they want to do in life. There might be a little hazy kind of situation. You are not able to decide for yourself. You have thought all these years that you want to become a doctor and all of a sudden one fine day you decide that you want to become a creative artist. So all these things happen, especially when this combination, when the Kala Sarpa Dosha is ongoing, like right now. And also right now Mercury, as you know, is retrograde. It is moving in the opposite direction, which again is a major reason why there might be a lot of miscommunication, there might be a lot of hazy thinking, there might be a lot of what I call backstabbing for some people. Again, people in their own birth charts, if at their time of birth Mercury was retrograde, this will be the time when they can take advantage of their Mercury. Mercury retrograde periods surprisingly are good for people who are trying to do stuff that is a little out of the ordinary, where they might be doing stuff that is not considered correct by the book, so to say. So for these people, if you are getting backstabbed during this time, this would be by the kind of people who have Mercury retrograde in their own birth charts. So these are all the combinations, and as you know that Saturn has just shifted, it has just moved, it has just transited. So again, when it has, as it has moved into Sagittarius, which is again not a very comfortable position for Saturn, there will be a little bit of confusion, and the transit to the new year may not be a very smooth one for a lot of us. So as we move closer to the new year 2018, I will be coming back to you to focus on the transit, on the major things planet wise that will go on in the skies above us. In the meanwhile, for people who have the Kala Sarpa Dosha, a few tips. If you're faced by confusion, sit down, write down, and get a clarity about what your choices are, which way you want to go. Get some people around you to get this clarity. It is a very good idea to donate green objects, especially food. Just donate it out. If it's in the raw form, it's even better. You should go to the temple and you should try and donate to the Navgraha green objects, and also anything that comes out of moong dal. You can sprout it overnight and you can just offer it to Mercury when you go to the temple. Another good thing to do as Mercury is retrograde is to feed the parrots, so to say, if you're able to do that in this winter and in this country where we hardly see parrots. And again, the parrots have to be out of their cages. It cannot be a caged parrot that you use. So these are the few things you can do, but again, you have to mind it whether Mercury is a helpful Mercury for you, or the retrograde Mercury is bringing you benefits, or it is creating problems for you. So till I see you again, good luck to all of you and God bless you.